So, should you pay off your credit card or save money? The current economic climate makes the answer to the question very simple. Pay off all of your credit card debt now. Credit card interest rates have skyrocketed over the last 3 years. Credit card interest rates are averaging between 17.9 to 20.4%. Those are the rates being charged to people with excellent credit scores above 740. People with good credit scores that run from 660 to 730 are now being hit with interest rates as high as 22%. Borrowers with subprime scores beneath 660 can now face interest rates in the 30% range. Cards like the First Premier Bank Gold Card charge 36% interests on purchases along with massive card fees. The fact that a card with 36% interest calls itself a gold card is laughable. High interest rates like these make it almost impossible to build wealth.